First things first, appreciate your support. So you want your washing machine to give you good service and last long. Durability. You always have to do this. Open the drain filter. Always open and clean the drain filter, because this is the part that collects all the dirt that goes through the machine. Coins, debris, they all get stuck in there. So always open the filter so that doesn't affect the drain pump. Number 2, the door rubber gasket. Once you're done with the washing, pass around a clean cloth around the rubber so that it doesn't smell and also doesn't get molds. And then behind we have the filter on the solenoid valves. Always clean that. Always remove the water dispenser and clean as well. Always remove the water dispenser and clean.